नमस्कार. मी संजय ठाकरे, गणित शिक्षक, जनता विद्यालय धाबा, कोंडाया महाराज, तालुका गोंडपिंपरी, जिल्हा चंद्रपूर.
In mathematics first, the fourth chapter is financial planning and problem set 4B and problem number 9, which is star. Sri Baltiwala sold shares of rupees 30,350 and purchased shares of rupees 69,650 in a day. He paid brokerage at the rate of 0.1% on sale and purchase. 18% GST was charged on brokerage. Find his total expenditure on brokerage and tax. Now for this answer or solution. Now brokerage on selling is equal to market value into rate of the brokerage, and which is equal to market value is 30,350 into rate of brokerage is 0.1%, means into 0.1 upon 100. Now here 1010 get cancelled. Now by multiplying 0.1 to 3035 means 303.5 upon 10, which is equal to the rupees 30.35. And hence now GST on this brokerage is equal to 30.35 into 18%, means 18 upon 100. या ठिकाणी 100 ने जर डिवाइड केलं तर 0.3035 into 18, which is equal to rupees 5.463 rupees. Now the expenditure on selling shares, जे शेअर्स सेल केले होते त्याच्यावरचं एक्सपेंडिचर इज 30.35 प्लस GST 5.46, which is equal to rupees 35.81. This is first. This is the expenditure on selling shares. जे शेअर्स त्यांनी सेल केले होते, सोल्ड, तर ते रुपीज त्याला मिळाले. पूर्ण खर्च झाला आहे तो, मीन्स एक्सपेंडिचर इज रुपीज 35.81. दिस इज वन. Now Sri Batliwala purchased shares of rupees 69,650. तिथे पण ब्रोकरेज दिली होती, मीन्स ब्रोकरेज इज इक्वल टू मार्केट व्हॅल्यू इंटू रेट ऑफ brokerage, that is 0.1 upon 100, which is equal to 69,000 into 650 into 0.1 upon 100. On solving we get multiplying by 0.1 to this, means 1 decimal point, 1 digit will be back, means 696.5 into 0.1 किंवा 10 कोणतेही चलते, सेम वैल्यू है इनकी. यानी डिवाइड करने का नहीं, यानी मल्टीप्लाई करने का सेम है, ठीक है, इंटू 0.1, विच इज इक्वल टू रुपीज 69.65. Now GST on this brokerage is equal to 69.65 into 18 upon 100. या ठिकाणी 100 ने डिवाइड केलं याला तर 0.6965 into 18 is equal to rupees 12.54. And hence expenditure on purchasing shares, जेव्हा शेअर्स परचेस केले तेव्हा पण त्याला ब्रोकरेज आणि त्यावरची GST द्यावं लागली. And hence this expenditure is equal to 69.65 plus 12.54, which is equal to rupees 82.19. This is second. Now total expenditure which is equal to जेव्हा सेल केलं तेव्हाचं एक्सपेंडिचर आणि परचेसिंगच्या वेळेचे एक्सपेंडिचर इज इक्वल टू 35.81 प्लस 82.19 फ्रॉम 1 and 2, which is equal to rupees 118. And hence Sri Batliwala's expenditure, total expenditure on brokerage and tax is equal to rupees 118. Then example 10, Srimati Aruna Thakkar purchased 100 shares of face value means FV 100 when the market value is rupees 1200. She paid brokerage at the rate of 0.3% and 18% GST on brokerage. Find the following. Number 1 is the net amount paid for 100 shares. Second is the brokerage paid on sum invested. Then third is the GST paid on brokerage. And fourth is total amount paid for 100 shares. Answer. Now here the face value is rupees 100 and market value is rupees 1200. Hence purchase value of 100 shares is equal to 1200 into 100, which is equal to rupees 1,20,000. And hence net amount paid for 100 shares is equal to 1,20,000. Now second, brokerage on sum invested is equal to 1,20,000 into the brokerage is 0.3% means 0.3 upon 100. 2 zeros get cancelled, and hence 1,200 into 0.3 means which is equal to rupees 360. And hence the brokerage paid on sum invested is equal to rupees 360. Third is the GST paid on brokerage is equal to, brokerage is 360 into rate of GST is 18% means 18 upon 100, 0 get cancelled, 36 into 18 upon 10, which is equal to rupees 64.80. And hence the GST paid on brokerage is equal to rupees 64.80. Then fourth answer, the total amount paid for 100 shares is equal to market value plus brokerage plus GST, which is equal to 1,20,000 plus 360 plus 64.80, which is equal to rupees 1,20,424.80. And hence the total amount paid for 100 shares is equal to rupees 1,20,424.80. Then next 11th example, which is also start. Srimati Anagha Doshi purchased 22 shares of face value rupees 100 for market value of rupees 660. Find the sum invested. After taking 20% dividend, she sold all the shares when market value was rupees 650. She paid 0.1% brokerage for each trading done. Find the percent of profit or loss in the share trading. Answer. Now the brokerage on a share of market value rupees 660 is equal to 660 into 0.1 upon 100. Now here 0 get cancelled, and on solving we get rupees 0.66. And the purchase value of a share is equal to market value plus brokerage, which is equal to 660 plus 0.66, which is equal to rupees 660.66. And hence Srimati Anaga Doshi sum invested for 22 shares, which is equal to 660.66 into 22 is equal to rupees 14,534.52. Now dividend on a share, त्या शेअरवर डिव्हिडंड पण मिळालेला आहे, पण तो डिव्हिडंड जो राहतो तो फेस व्हॅल्यूवर राहतो आणि रिसीव 20% मीन्स फेस व्हॅल्यू इंटू 20% मीन्स 20 upon 100. फेस व्हॅल्यू वॉज 100 रुपीज मीन्स 100 इंटू फॉर डिव्हिडंड 20% डिव्हिडंड मीन्स 20 upon 100. 100 get cancelled, which is equal to rupees 20. And hence the total dividend on 22 shares is equal to 22 into 20, which is equal to rupees 440. She sold all 22 shares. The एवढा dividend मिळाल्यानंतर तिनं all shares were sold of market value rupees 655, and hence 55 नहीं, market value is equal to rupees 650 only, 50 rupees. Selling value received, आता या रेटने विकल्यानंतर 22 शेअर्स विकल्यानंतर सेलिंग व्हॅल्यू रिसिव्ड ऑन ए शेअर is equal to market value minus brokerage. Here market value is 650 minus brokerage is 650 into 0.1 upon 100. On solving we get 650 minus this 0.65, which is equal to rupees 649.35. Now hence the selling price of 22 shares received is equal to 649.35 into 22, which is equal to rupees 14,285.70. Then Srimati Anaga Doshi received total amount is equal to dividend plus selling price of 22 shares, which is equal to 440 plus 14,285.70, which is equal to rupees 14,725.70. And hence Srimati Anaga Doshi invested rupees 14,535.52. This value is less than amount received by selling, means this value, and hence this selling price is more than she invested. So the profit is equal to selling price minus purchasing price, which is equal to 14,725.70 minus 14,535.52, which is equal to rupees 191.18, and this is the profit. Now the percentage of profit is equal to profit upon investment into 100, which is equal to 191.18 upon 14,534.52 इंटू 100. 100ने याला मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर हा पॉईंट इथे येतो, मीन्स 19,118. आणि इथे ठीक आहे, वीज इज इक्वल टू आणि डिवायडेड बाय याला 100ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर पॉईंट निघून जातो. आणि म्हणून या ठिकाणी मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर देन वी गेट द फायनल आन्सर इज 1.31%. नाव पॉईंटच्या नंतर 3 आहे विच इज लेस दॅन 5 आणि म्हणून याच्यामध्ये आपण ॲड करत नाही. आणि आपल्याला जर राऊंड फिगर पर्सेंटेज पाहिजे असेल तर विच इज इक्वल टू 1%. Hence the percent of profit in the share trading of Srimati Anaga Doshi is equal to 1%. Thank you from Sanjay A. Thakre.